Ukraine has made history in its war against Russia by successfully using a European SAMP-T missile to take down a Russian aircraft for the first time. This strike demonstrates Ukraine's ability to rely on European weapons, particularly as U.S. support has fluctuated. Military sources, including David Axe from Forbes and Ukrainian Air Force spokesperson Yuri Ainut, confirmed the attack, though the exact model of the Russian Su aircraft destroyed remains uncertain. The options include the Su-34, Su-27, or the highly advanced Su-35, the latter of which would be a significant blow to Russia's Air Force. The SAMP-T Aster 30 is a French-developed surface-to-air missile platform designed to counter aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic threats. Operated by several militaries, including France and Italy, it features 6 mobile launcher vehicles carrying a total of 48 missiles, along with an advanced Arabelle radar capable of tracking 100 targets simultaneously and scanning a 372-mile range. The SAMP-T's mobility allows Ukraine to position and reposition the system as needed, making it an invaluable defensive asset. Ukraine's use of the SAMP-T is particularly important, given its recent struggles with its Patriot missile systems. Russia has managed to destroy multiple Patriot batteries using precision-guided missiles, including Iskander-M ballistic missiles, leading to concerns about the long-term viability of Ukraine's reliance on the U.S.-supplied system. While the exact number of destroyed Patriot systems is debated, Ukraine's losses have made European alternatives like SAMP/T more crucial. Complicating matters, the U.S. has sent mixed signals regarding its support for Ukraine. On March 4th, President Donald Trump suspended military aid and intelligence sharing with Ukraine, blocking billions of dollars in promised support. This left Ukraine vulnerable to Russian strikes. However, following ceasefire negotiations on March 12th, the U.S. reversed course, resuming aid and intelligence sharing. This roller coaster of support has pushed Ukraine to diversify its defense strategy, with the SAMP-T emerging as a reliable European alternative should U.S. backing waver again. The SAMP-T's arrival provides Ukraine with a strategic advantage. Combined with its existing Patriot systems, Ukraine now possesses 7 major missile batteries, which could be enough to cover its largest cities. President Volodymyr Zelensky had previously stated that 7 Patriot systems were required to defend Ukraine's urban centers. And now, with the SAMP-T's success, Ukraine has a viable alternative in case Patriot supplies are disrupted. Despite these advances, Ukraine still faces a significant challenge: missile scarcity. Lockheed Martin, which manufactures Patriot missiles, currently produces around 500 annually, with plans to increase to 750 per year by 2027. However, given the scale of Russia's attacks, over 1,200 missiles, 8,500 glide bombs, and 1,500 drones launched at Ukraine in early 2024 alone, Ukraine's defensive systems require a constant supply of missiles to remain effective. In addition to missile shortages, Ukraine also faces difficulties in training personnel to operate advanced air defense systems efficiently. The SAMP/T requires specialized knowledge, and while Ukrainian forces have undergone training in Europe, integrating this new system effectively into their overall defense strategy will take time. Ukraine must balance the learning curve with the immediate need to protect its airspace from relentless Russian attacks. Moscow has adapted its tactics, employing swarm drone attacks and hypersonic missiles that make interception more difficult. The Kinzhal hypersonic missile, for example, has proven difficult for Ukraine's existing air defenses to counter consistently. As Russia refines its strategy, Ukraine must continuously enhance its air defense capabilities, integrating systems like SAMP-T with counter-drone measures and electronic warfare tactics to stay ahead of emerging threats. Moreover, Ukraine's ability to acquire additional SAMP-T systems depends largely on continued European support. Expanding this fleet would require further political and financial commitments from European nations. Given the current geopolitical climate, where European nations are balancing support for Ukraine with their own defense needs, future deliveries of SAMP-T systems are not guaranteed. Meanwhile, Russia has responded aggressively to Ukraine's growing reliance on Western air defenses. Recent intelligence reports suggest that Moscow is seeking to acquire additional weaponry from Iran and North Korea to replenish its arsenal, including advanced drones and missiles. If Russia secures these reinforcements, Ukraine could face an even greater challenge in maintaining air superiority. However, Ukraine's successful SAMP-T strike also sends a powerful message to Russia. It signals that Ukraine's air defense capabilities are evolving and that European support is proving to be a formidable asset. This may force Russia to rethink its aerial operations, potentially making it more cautious when deploying expensive fighter jets near Ukrainian-controlled airspace. Ukraine's reliance on European systems like SAM-PT also highlights a broader shift in global military alliances. As U.S. support remains unpredictable, European nations are stepping up their commitment, recognizing that Ukraine's defense is crucial for the stability of Europe as a whole. While European support for Ukraine remains strong, the unpredictability of U.S. aid continues to be a factor in Ukraine's long-term defense strategy. If U.S. assistance is withdrawn again, the SAM-P/T could become a vital lifeline for Ukraine's aerial defense. In conclusion, the SAM-T missile's success against a Russian aircraft marks a major milestone for Ukraine. With ongoing threats from Russia and uncertain Western backing, Ukraine must continue to bolster its defenses, ensuring it has the weapons and technology necessary to protect its skies and cities. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and remember to subscribe to the Military Watch for more videos covering Ukraine's impressive attacks on Russia, plus ongoing conflict and military news from around the world.